What's going on, guys and gals? Rip&Tip Outdoors here. I'm Dustin Fox. Thought I would do a little city limit fishing again tonight. Just got about an hour and a half until dark. It is cold. It's about 17 degrees out. That's not factoring in the wind chill. But hey, I thought I'd give it a go. It's beautiful outside. It's sunny at least. So stay tuned. I'll see you at the water. All right, same tactics as I've been running all winter long. If you've watched any of my videos, I've been running the same deal. That's just what I fish for or fish with during the winter time. Just a little hook, about 18 inches or so up from that, 4 split shot. You guys can see that. I think this is size 10 hook, eagle claw, tipped with some worm, and that's what I fish with in the winter. So let's give it a go. There's one. It's a nice one. I usually just kind of get on my knees here. My drag's not working, it's frozen. It's not too bad. Trout, isn't it? Yes, sir. I can get that. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Are you keeping these? I just throw them back. That's all I do.
You can go ahead and toss them back in.
Okay.
Let them grow up to be a little bit bigger.
All right.
Yeah. I've got a. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Nope, it's a nice one.
I got a little forceps thingy.
I think I can get it.
In the stabs or.
All right. There it is. Not too bad of a trout.
About 14 in it.
Yeah. Something like that. Let's get it back in. Well, I think we're going to call it a night. Caught one fish. Had a couple bites, got away. Met a guy named Dave. He let me use his net. It was just pretty slow. It's cold. It's cold out here. So, thanks for watching Rip&Tip Outdoors. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. Just subscribe if you want to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. I will get back to them. Until next time, thanks everybody. Later.